MeghalayaPost.news. Little Star Secondary School Baridua mentaka kenti jong senam Hajar apun riu kalapau biang ka kerteng ha ka top 10 jong ke examin HSSLC Ambos kabade ha ka art stream ha ka bakawai ka kena belatip kerteng kum ka swastika giri kalawan ha ka kyrdan ka basan na pedeng kis paungut ki belarung ha ka top 10 kesamla swastika giri kalayo bankur hadu saspa sau marks na borok ki subject ber kalayo ruya ki letter marks ha ka subject English, Health Education, Sociology, Physical Education, Political Science bat ke Education ha ka ni ka sengi bapun mi ka result jangka HSSLC kino hikai bat kikna kilami samadan skul da kabai buram ye kini kikna kibaile ke examen HSSLC mentau snem bat kibala pas bah ha ka first division harun kat ka jingi shat kemen bat permthai bom kum kada ka jingle kemen nakaliang ka principal kani ka school ka dian sharma kala ong bawat lam mentau snem tang kindiat kikna kibami na kani ka school banto exam henry ka jing kemen kawan hadian banakaliang ka swastika giri kala yo ban khait yo so ubatiang bat kabala wanra buram shisai ka school wala bon kikna kilai Pulisya Asam badan hakaput kani ka school barwala kataru kani ka kena school kalapan iba makaru kala banpau hakijing puli nakaliang ka swastika giri bat kiwei pat ki kena puli kila ashisha ka jingero ikino hikai yakinong panya ka school kamtam ka Megha Sharma ka bari counselor jong ka school ki bala juptin lenti bat yarap bhai ki kena hakanu kanu ka banta hadu bakin la ban panurlong ya ka ikijing trang jongki hadu kini kisngi.
Our students from Arts and Commerce, they have successfully passed with colorful colors, and one of our students, Swastika Giri from Arts stream, she has secured 5th position in the Meghalaya Board of School Education. So heartiest congratulations to Swastika Giri. Regarding Swastika Giri, I want to say that the girl, she was very sincere with her studies. She worked day and night hard, and she is always like she used to keep on asking the teachers with her doubts. She was the one with whom we, the school management, we have been hoping the position, but not the 5th position we were hoping. We were hoping that the girl will be in the top 10 merit list, but we were like, it's like we have thought that it was a dream for us to see her name in the top 10 merit list, and I hope that each and every student should have a belief in themselves. If we believe in ourselves, we can achieve whatever we can in our life. We must have a belief in ourselves, we must love ourselves so that we can able to do anything. There is nothing called impossible. The word impossible itself says, I am possible.
Hello everyone, my name is Swastika Giri and I am a student of Little Star Senior Secondary School. I feel very proud to share that I scored the 5th position in the Meghalaya board with 88 percentile and 99 marks in sociology in my HSSLC examination. This achievement is not just mine. It is the result of the constant support and guidance of my teachers. Because of their efforts, I have been able to move forward and reach in this point. Through my journey, I have learned some important lessons, and the first was that अगर हम consistently hard work करते रहेंगे with dedication और focus के साथ तो हम ज़रूर सक्सेस होंगे. No matter कितने भी प्रॉब्लम आए, कितने भी डिफ़िकल्टीज लाइफ में आए, कभी हेल्थ इश्यूज होते हैं, कभी फैमिली में चैलेंजेस आते हैं, बट हमें हमेशा अपने मन में हिम्मत रख के आगे बढ़ना है और हमेशा होप रखना है कि एक दिन ज़रूर आएगा जब हम सक्सेस होंगे.
Thanks to God, because God was there when I was studying, when I was stressing out, when I was in tension. God was there. God, thank you so much. And second, I want to thank my mom because the studies start from home, right? My mom, she was there in every, like when I was in stress, when I was in tension, like when I was weak, she was there. What you want to eat, tell me, you have to study, like you have to be strong, you have to study. She used to force me like that. And then used to encourage me a lot that yeah, someone is there who is encouraging me, that I can do it, that she has believed in me. And third of all, I want to thank all of my teachers, all of my class teachers from class 7 since when I have met every teacher. I want to thank in the last that they were there when they were supporting me a lot. They were like, that makes me really encourageable, and with that, with all of it, I just made it, and I feel really proud that God, my teacher, my mom, and everyone, my brothers were there with me. Thank you so much to everyone for supporting so much to our classmates and everyone in my classes and my class teacher, our listening staff.
Today I got the job of the exam. So I am so happy to do this marks because there was big hand of all the teachers who helped me in the exam time, and also I would like to thank special thank to Miss Megha because she supported me a lot, and also she took some extra classes for me. Thank you.
One of our students, she got a 5th position in ambush. So it is a very proud moment for us. After a long time we were waiting for this one. At last we got the result. And the student, those are coming in the they are very weak. But at last we work hard them. If the student make a counseling them, if make them they can do something in a life. They must be, we have to make a more like this way in the future also. They can do something, and this is a very proud moment, and I thanks the admin office, administration, all the teacher and everyone too. This is a very good moment, and the achievement is for all of us, and I wish all the best for the student in the future also. They will do something. If I tell too frankly, no, we don't have a number of students because we are in a border. The student, most of the students, they want to go in Assam only. So we have only 8 students. Only 8 students, and we feel very sad. So these 8 students, what can we do? But they are also decided only 8 students is there. But we counseling them, we make to understand how many you can do. So we are behind you, and we work hard. I think in that moment we feel very happy because very less student, even they are to student also, they are working hard.
MeghalayaPost.news